Should I switch my variable rate mortgage to a fixed mortgage is a question I have been bombarded with since January. Before you do anything, let's look at the facts. Hi, I'm Lei Villar-Cisneros with Homes by Lei and Right at Home Realty Inc. You probably have heard the news by now that the Bank of Canada's key interest rate has bumped up by a quarter point from 0.25% and is expected to increase overnight to 0.5% after a 4-year freeze. As of this recording, the prime rate remains at 2.45% and the benchmark rate remains at 5.25%. The prime rate is a rate to watch if you have a variable rate because it will be affected by its fluctuations. The benchmark rate is the rate used to stress test or qualify for a mortgage. Let's talk about prime rate first. To give you a better perspective, let's look at the prime rate history prior to the pandemic. For this video, I will be using the MCAP prime rate history, which is similar to everybody's. It's just that this is what I have open on my computer at the moment. So I'll be using it for convenience. The current prime rate is 2.45%, has been implemented as a result of COVID-19 pandemic on April 2nd of 2020. If you see, the lowest recorded rate since 2007 was at 2.25 in April of 2009. And the highest is recorded at 6.25% in July 17 of 2007. And it goes up and down by 0.25%. While we cannot predict the future with everything that's going on right now, the rise inflation rate at 5.10%, the ongoing war in Ukraine, the gas prices dropping up to as high as 1.67% by tonight, the reopening of the Canadian economy, the supply chain limitations that we're experiencing, the interest rate hike is expected. If not today, we will see it in the next few days or so. I will keep you updated when it happens. Now, going back to the question, should I do anything about my variable rate right now? The answer is no. Hold it off because it is still very, very low. The reference rate we have to watch out is the pre-pandemic rate. So once it starts climbing over that, then we should revisit the issue. To give you a perspective, it will take about 5 or 6 variable rate increases to be at par with the current fixed rates. As to the benchmark of 5.25, the government is the one that decides what that number will be. So to keep the buying frenzy at the balance. Right now, I haven't heard any buzz as to whether that will go up or down. Now, if you have a fixed rate, nothing to worry about until your term ends. If you're renewing, refinancing in the next 120 days, or still have questions regarding your mortgage, buying or selling a house, contact us. We'll help you ease the burden of financing your home so you can be a homeowner soon. And as always, at Homes by Lei, we'll make your real estate dreams come home.